All right, welcome back. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Today's video, we're going to go over the Google Search Console. It's going to be a quick tutorial over the Google Search Console. The Google Search Console is used as a critical SEO tool that helps you measure your site's search traffic, impressions, your clicks, positions and queries, the performance of the website. It can fix issues and do so much more. It's an absolutely free tool that Google Search or Google company has given out just to help websites do better. Now, this is not just a one and done tutorial. I'll definitely be giving some more advanced ones, some moderate ones, and then I'll also update this video as they roll updates for the Google Search Console. So anybody watching will be able to have update information to make sure their website runs and it can position the way that it needs to. So to start your journey, you'll go to this Google Search Console website, which if you don't have in the bottom, if you don't want to click it in the bottom of the description, you can just Google Search Console and it will be the first thing that pops up. And you want to log in with your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, it's easy to make one and you'll just set it up and then sign in. When you first create your account, you'll have to do a verifying of the property. So the property is considered the website or the domain, all right, to show you own this website or the domain that you're about to add onto the Search Console, because they're not going to give you the performance and literates of your competitors. Of course, you're going to have to do it yourself and say that you own this website. So you do this by putting in the domain name of the website or the URL prefix, whichever one, as you can see. And once you put it in, you'll be at the second step where it gives you an option of verifying this domain with instructions, usually from the hosting company. But in case it's wrong, you can switch to the instructions you need. Once you have the instructions listed in front of you, you'll follow the steps to verify the property. I will say that some verifications are immediate, but others can take up to 48 hours before it's fully verified. All right, and it won't give you any data until it is fully verified. Once the website is verified, though, you're in Google Search Console. You're perfect. You're good to go. So now yours is going to look a little different than what you see on the screen. And that's because you'll have to wait for your data to really fully input, which usually takes about 24 to 48 hours. And that's fine, because this video is really just to show you how to interpret the data once you have it, the general interpretation anyway. So the home screen is going to be your overview screen. It goes over your performance, coverage, and experience in a very general way. The navigation on the left lets you see all of these things in much more depth. So since this is only a quick tutorial, we won't go through all of these tabs and explain in detail what everything means, but I really just want you to grasp how to use this fantastic tool in its most important area, which is the performance tab. This will show you your impressions, your clicks, click-through rate, positions, and so much more in various data sets, such as annual, quarterly, and so on. This is a huge resource that can show you what people are searching to get to you, what pages are getting the most hits, and more. The Google Search Console can give you all the information, but interpretation is dependent on your company, the goals and objectives for the website. This is why businesses consult SEO companies or hire SEO experts. It's less so to set up the tools they need and more so to interpret the results they're getting for the company and give direction on what to do to control your results and drive them in the direction that you want to go. You can update and submit sitemaps, check page removals and reasons why they're removed, check internal and external links, page experience, and so much more. But I'll be uploading more videos where we go over each SEO tool in depth and also showing how it correlates to certain things like Google Search Console and Ahrefs. So if you're looking for more research on keywords, external and internal links, how to set up your title and metadatas, we'll be going over that in a bunch of more videos that I'm going to have in a playlist for you guys to check out. But this is just to give a general direction on Google Search Console. All right, that's it for the quick tutorial. If you guys still need help, please don't hesitate to contact me, or you can ask questions in the comment area and I'll try to get back to you as fast as I possibly can. Please remember to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Any type of engagement is a huge help, of course. And outside of that, you guys have a great day, be safe, and stay healthy.